made yes.
Tanvir, how many classes are still pending to complete this course?
I think that's what I was thinking. I think 2 to 3 classes. These all things we have done. Okay, but what I'm planning is uh, on this at least this part of this which I have. You can see my screen, guys. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, this topics which I have highlighted, at least this one. Okay, this is very important because nowadays, what I'm observing is if you're going for data analyst role, so the interviewers they are asking question based on this. They want to check that do you know this concepts and okay. And knowing a concept and implementing is very different, guys. Okay, I think you all agree with me. So practice is the key. So that's what I'm planning. That we have this topics pending. So once this is over, so I will schedule 1 or 2 class. Only we will discuss some questions on that, and that will be related to this rank, test rank, row number, lead, lag. That's what I'm planning. But I have introduced this topics to you. Maybe you have got an idea that what this is all about. Okay, but we need to do some more practice on this. Okay. Hope this makes sense. Any questions?
Bro, you can take some practice session also after completing this course.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Well, 1 or 2 class I will schedule for practicing. I will add your your batch and one more batch is there. I know many students will not be there, so that's what I want to merge 2 batch because the last batch students February batch they have also requested. So those who are interested they can attain, and I will show you some complicated queries how to work on that. Actually, okay, that's the plan I have. Okay, so these all things we have covered so far. Now, it's the one which is pending. Let's discuss this. I want to start with this correlated query today. Okay, and then I will show you the sum over cumulative. Guys, see all this SQL topics, the keywords. No, these all means you have to practice. That's the thing. Again, I'm repeating in each and every class. Uh, Daily, at least work on 5 SQL questions. At least I know a little bit SQL. Even then, I work on that on a daily basis. I will scan that LinkedIn. I will see the questions, what others are posting. I will try to work on that. I will try to solve it using multiple methods. Because there's no end for any topic, any subject. So that's what I'm telling. Please practice on this. Okay. I have created that practice group, but there you can see hardly 2 to 3 participants. They are only active. And Pritish, Mukilan, Manikanda, Sandeep, they are active. And yes, they are now very smart in SQL. I can see that how they're writing queries. That's what they have that eagerness to learn. They are practicing that. So I will request everyone. And like this is the era of data. So and SQL is very important. SQL, Python, Power BI. If you are if you're very strong in this, no one can stop you. I can guarantee you for this. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. Work on the SQL. Make a routine that okay, 2 queries I have to work on morning, and two queries after office hour. I have to practice. Make a routine like this, and don't start with complex queries. Let's start with the basic queries first of all. Then proceed with the complex queries. Okay. Fine then. I want to start with correlated query today. Before this, any question on the topics what we have discussed, or any topic which you want me to repeat, which we have discussed already? No? Okay. No. I'm having that. Now, extracting. Okay, yes. This is a good example. To show you this example actually. Okay, correlated query we will try to understand today. And believe me, very few know this concept, and they don't want to apply this. This is a little bit complicated, okay, but this is very useful. This is very useful. So this is the data employee table. You have this salary 100, 600, 500, 300, 200, all these things. Now the question is to find the highest salary. You might have heard that this kind of questions are very common and frequently asked questions these days. To find the highest salary. So if I will ask you that, tell me that employee who is earning the highest salary from this table. So what will be your answer?
Select star from max of salary.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you can tell the query, but here you can see B is the answer, right? P, B, and F.
C and F.
Yeah.
Right. Of course, what Roja has told, that is correct. You can use this maximum salary from employee. Okay. So if you will execute this, this will give you that okay, maximum salary is 600. Correct. Now you want to know that who is earning this maximum salary, right? Right now I have just shown you that what is the maximum salary, but the question is who is that employee earning this maximum salary?
Name.
Suppose 10th class board examinations are over. Now results CBSE, they have declared the result, and we got to know that 99.8% was the highest marks scored, right? So immediately we will ask that okay, who has scored that marks, right? So that's the next question. Who has scored this? So you can write like this: select a star from employee, where salary in, and give this in a query. Okay, execute this. So now you got the output that okay, name B and F have they're earning this salary 600. Is this clear? Is this query clear? Any question?
Yes.
Clear, right?
Clear.
Perfect, perfect. Now there is one more technique for this. There's one more technique. Can I tell you with the help of CT expression? Okay, I will try to explain you with the help of CT expression. CT is very, very powerful and very helpful. You'll see most of my LinkedIn questions. I will post with the help of CT. I will write with the help of CT. And you will see that those who are a little bit experienced of SQL, they prefer working with CT. So this is very helpful. I want to show you that the same question how you can solve using CT expression. Okay? Please ask questions. Okay, you guys are not asking questions. Let's start from next one. This is the second solution I'm trying to show you. So first of all, I have assigned a temporary table and the name is test1. This is user defined. You can keep the name whatever you want. No one is going to stop you. So I'm telling to SQL engine that calculate the maximum salary from this employee table. Okay. And keep the output in this test1 temporary table. Okay. And then I'm trying to get the data from test1, and that's why I got this output 600. So First of all, tell me, is this clear what I have done here? If you want to repeat this, then I will proceed further if it is clear.
Yes, clear, Tanvir.
Clear? Nisar, Kush, is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
No, so far just I have shown you that who is earning the maximum salary, but still the question is, tell me the employee who is earning this maximum salary. If there's a question. So for that, what I will do, select the star from employee where salary n, select, then you have to use alias here, max salary, select max salary, come on, press 1, okay, let me execute this. Okay, you got the same output. So this was the solution 1, and here you have solution 2, and this is using CT, common table expression, and this is using subquery, or you can tell inner query. Okay. Now, please ask question if you have any from this CT. This one. Is it clear? Any question?
Yes, clear, Tanvir. But we can write any one query, right? We can write anything.
Anyone, whatever you want, you can use that. Okay, your wish. Now you have some other techniques as well using rank. Okay. ID, name, salary, column, rank. Order by descending, rank, by. So now who will explain me this output? Can you explain me this output? Who will explain this?
First, it's arranging the salary by descending order. Then it's giving
Very good.
rank.
Very good.
But here we are not giving the instance, so it's missing number 2.
It just skips the sequence. Very good.
Yeah.
So I have used rank here. So first of all, what this will do, it will check this over clause. So here I mentioned order by salary descending. So it will sort the salary in descending order. You can see here all the salaries are in descending order, right? Okay.
Yes.
After that, it will check that whether this is rank or depth rank. So SQL engine will observe that user has mentioned rank here. Okay. So it will give the rank 1 to this. This is the first rank order. And here, this is also same. 600, 600, they both are same. So SQL cannot give rank 2 here, right? Let me explain you this. And dense rank is very important, guys. So you should understand this. Reading this again. So let me copy this query as well. Query. So I explained you that first of all, SQL engine will order by salary descending. So this salary is sorted in descending order, right? After that, SQL engine will see that the user has mentioned rank. Okay. So he will start giving rank. So 600 will be given first rank. Again, you have second employee who is earning 600. So we have given first rank. Now, the question is why we have not given second rank to this? See,
The salary both are same, right? That's why it's giving
both
one
are
to-
same, right? So you cannot give second rank. So B will make a noise that why you have given me second rank. I'm earning the same salary as it. So that's why to solve this problem, when there is a duplicate record, SQL engine will assign the same rank. That's why your rank is 1 and here as well rank is 1. Hope this first two record is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, just a minute. Okay. After this is twist. Here is a twist. Okay. Why this is rank 3? Our common sense says that after 1 we have rank 2, correct? After 1 we have rank 2, but here this is rank 3 and it is 4, 5, 6. It is fine, right? But here the question is that after 1, why SQL engine has not assigned rank 2 here? We were expecting rank 2, right?
Yes.
Why it has not assigned this rank 2? So to solve this problem, we have a concept of dense rank, right? We have discussed that in the last class, correct? Let me show you that.
So
I know I'm repeating the same thing, but this is important, so repeating. Yeah, you sure?
but why this rank does not take the second rank?
Why this
why
rank
we use-
doesn't take the second rank?
Why we use 10th rank instead of it?
Good question. Good question. Let me answer that. Good question. So this is the data. If you are taking rank and dense rank, okay. I've kept both rank here and dense rank here, okay, so that we can compare. First two records, any question? Are you all convinced why the rank is 1? Correct? Second record, this is a point of discussion that Tanveer, why rank has skipped the second position, it has given the third position here. Okay, that's the question. And after that, you all agree that okay, after that this is fine, 4th, 5th, 6th rank, this is in sequence. But you have question here that Tanveer, why after first rank this is showing third rank, and then you are telling that to solve this problem of rank because it skips the sequence, we have a new concept of dense rank, right? And here in dense rank, you can see this is rank 1. After that, he has given rank 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So which one looks more appropriate for you guys, rank or dense rank?
Dense rank.
Dense rank, of course. You all will say that dense rank is more accurate because here they both earning same salary. We have given rank 1. After rank 1, we used to assign rank 2. So that's why dense rank has assigned rank 2 here. And then rank 3, rank 4, rank 5. But the rank is not appropriate. It is skipping the sequence and is giving here 3, 4, 5, 6. So anyone can get confused that where is rank 2 here? Correct. Suppose in a class, the class teacher has published the result, right? And they're telling that, okay, student A is the first rank holder, student B is the second rank holder, student C is the fourth rank holder, student D is the fifth rank holder. So you will ask question, no, that madam, where is the third rank holder? Okay, where is the third rank holder? So she cannot tell that, okay, no, I don't want the third rank holder. That's why I'm not kept. No, you cannot give the justification. Where is the third rank holder? Correct. Similarly, here the question is, where is the second rank holder? I will give you the reason that rank skips the sequence when there's a duplicate, right? I have given the same justification last time as well. That when there is a duplicate, after that the rank will skip the sequence, and that's why it has jumped here, right? Now the question is, why rank has skipped this? That is fine. We understood that, okay, rank has skipped a sequence, but what is the reason why rank skips the sequence? Is that the question, right? Correct?
Yes.
Hello. Okay, that's the question. See, actually, rank is not skipping anything. I will tell you the reason why. Actually, rank is not skipping anything. Just look at this very closely. Rank is not skipping anything. Can you tell me why I'm telling rank is not skipping anything?
In the
Rank
memory,
is not
it's
skipping.
actually giving one number to each record. So it giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Then whatever the same salaries, it's changing the both records to same number. I don't know how to explain.
Yeah, almost you are correct. Almost you are correct.
Yeah, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 are same salary, so it's changing 2 as a 1. That's why it's
I got your point.
yeah.
Almost you are correct. Good effort. Let me explain you now. I will show you one more way, what I can say, problem. And from this, and this is very interesting. Okay, now I'm trying to explain you with the help of one more example. This is the query. Do one thing. Forget about rank and dense rank for the moment. Forget about this. Okay. What is this row number? We have discussed in the last class.
Giving each record one number.
Yeah, it will assign one number in the sequence to each and every record. This is the syntax of row number. Order by salary descending. It has ordered the salary in descending order, right? Salary is in descending order. And then it will assign the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not bothered that there's a duplicate or not. We will start assigning this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, row number is clear. This is very straightforward. Any question on row number? No. So now concentrate on this. First two record, you all were convinced that yeah, this is fine, you all were agreeing. Third record, at this point, you have raised a concern that why this is third. But for dense rank, you were again convinced that yeah, this is fine. It has given dense rank 2. For row number as well, you all are convinced that this is also correct. But here you have raised a concern that Tanveer, why this is giving rank 3. And I have told you the reason that rank skips the sequence if there is any duplicate, right? But then I told you that actually rank doesn't skips. Now try to understand why I'm telling that rank doesn't skips. But it appears to us that rank is skipping the sequence. Okay. Now the reason is rank. Where is the diagram? Yeah, this is actually rank obeys this row number. Rank obeys a row number. Here row number is 1, so rank is 1. Row number is 2. So actually this is 2 only, but this is duplicate. They will start shorting. So just for display purpose, rank is showing this as rank 1, but internally this seems like to be like 2 only. Okay. After that, your row number is 3, is assigned rank 3. That is the reason. So for us, it seems that it has escaped. Okay. So it has not escaped actually. Okay. And after that, 4, 5, 6. Is that clear? So rank is following your row number, and that is why it is showing 3 here, because the row number is 3. Okay. But for us, it seems that this is skipping the sequence. So sir, this is not to skip the sequence. So for rank, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. This is obeying the row number. But if it will assign after 1, 2 here, so this employee B will start shorting that if you are telling that I'm giving ranking, then why you have given the rank 2? I'm earning the same salary as F. Why you haven't given me the rank 2? So that's why to avoid this noises, he has assigned this 1 at face value. Okay, and this appears to us that he has skipped the sequence. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the reason rank doesn't skips, but it appears to us that it is skipping the sequence, and this is the reason. If you're thinking that why it has skipped this rank 2, so this is the reason it has skipped, because he has to follow this row number sequence. And many other stories are there in detail. So if we get time after some time, maybe we can discuss a lot of things are there. But this you should know the reason. This is very poor reason, and you will see that very few they know this, because nowadays everyone they just want to understand the high level, and they will start working on the queries. But you should know all this things. What is the reason why this is happening? Okay, hope you understood this, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, and you cannot tell that 10's rank is better than rank, or rank is better than 10's rank. No, they all have their own significance. You should know where to use rank, where to use 10's rank. Okay, fine. Then now coming back to our original question, I'm splitting this here. Hope you understood that reason. Now coming back to our question which we are discussing about calculating the highest salary. Okay, I have used rank here, and this is the data in front of it, and the question is to find the highest salary. So what should I do here now after this? Highest salary means
Where?
rank will be 1, correct?
Yeah, where rank is 1.
Where
Rank is equal to
rank
1.
is equal to 1, correct?
Yes.
But if I will execute this query, this will throw error message. Let me show you that. Error message is coming, right? SQL engine is telling that RNK. We have used this alias also, RNK alias. You all know alias concept, right? So I've used here rank as an alias. So for this entire value, I want to show as rank. So SQL engine is telling that this is invalid identifier. Invalid identifier means SQL engine is telling that I don't know what is this rank, but I mentioned here rank, and SQL engine is telling that I don't know this. What is the reason? Why do you think? See, it is appearing here, no? But SQL engine is telling that I don't know what is this rank. Why? Why is it so? Are you getting the question first of all, guys?
Because
It's
it is
just
not
an
the-
alias.
Yeah, come on, sir. Mhm.
Maybe it's
Okay.
not the reserved keyword.
This is not reserved keyword. RNK is not reserved keyword. If I will write RANK, then that's a reserved keyword. This is not reserved keyword. Alias, I have told you earlier as well that you can write whatever name you want. Nobody will just stop you. Just you don't have to use reserved keywords. Then what is showing error message?
Actually, the SQL engine will execute from the from statement, right? First, it will check where rank. It will check rank in the table, and there is no RNK in the table, right?
See, this RNK name you have assigned, right?
Assign, yeah.
RNK name you have assigned, correct? But if you will check in this employee table, do you have any RNK column?
No.
Let me show you this. In this employee table, do you have any RNK column? It is
No.
not there. So your SQL engine is searching in this employee table, this RNK column.
Yes.
It is not present here. So you are creating this on the runtime. Runtime means while executing this query, you are creating this new column. So SQL engine doesn't know where is this RNK column because SQL engine is concentrating on this employee table. And in this employee table, you just have ID, name, and salary. Okay. The SQL engine doesn't know where is RNK, and that's why when you're executing this, SQL engine is telling that I don't know where is this column, invalid identifier. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use a subquery. Select a star from like this. Okay. Now let me execute this now and show you what output you're getting. Now you got the output.
Yes.
The output you got, right? Okay. So here you got this output. Okay, 1 minute. There is CT expression.
Hello, Tanvir. Cannot hear anything. Are you talking?
Okay, so you got this output, right? Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah.
So we got this output. Now, now you understood the reason why you got this output now. See here, what is happening? I am telling to SQL engine that the output of this query. I'm telling to SQL engine that concentrate on the output of this query. This is your table now. That's what I've written. Select a star from. After from, have I given any table name? There is no table name, right?
Yes.
So I have kept this query only after from. So it means I'm telling to SQL engine that execute this query, and this output of this query will be your table. So now when SQL engine will execute this query, so this is the table for SQL engine now, right? Now SQL engine is concentrating on this table. So I'm telling I want a star. A star means everything from this table where rank is equal to 1. So now do we have rank column? So yes, we have rank column. SQL engine can see that, okay, rank column is this, equal to 1. You got the output. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now if you want, you can solve this using CT expression as well. Let me show you that. I prefer writing test one, so you can write with any other name, whatever you want. You prefer, okay. So select a star from test one where is equal to 1. Okay, so you got output here as well. using CT expression. So CT expression, what I have done, this query, I am routing the output of this query in this test one temporary table. And from this I'm telling I want rank is equal to 1. Hope this is clear, guys. Any question? No?
No.
Okay, similarly, you can solve this using dense rank as well. Okay, even if you give your dense rank, you will get the same output. You can try that. You can solve this using row number as well. You can try that. Okay. Shall I proceed further?
Yes.
Now I will show you. Now I will show you that how you can solve this question using correlated query. Okay. You can ask question that Tanvir already we have discussed 3 to 4 solution for this. Then why correlated query you want to show? So actually, I want to introduce you the concept of correlated query. What is correlated query? Okay. And this is one of the simplest example through which I can make you understand. And that's the reason I'm going to explain you correlated query by solving this question. Okay. So far, any question what we have discussed so far? Any question on this?
Tanvir, here we are finding for the rank 1, right? We want to search like second highest salary or third highest salary. Then we have to give dense rank only, right?
Correct. Very good catch. Of course. Good one. Okay. That's correct, Roja.
Okay, thank you.
Now, same question, highest salary, but I want to explain with the help of correlated query. I'm taking data here. This is the data. So suppose I will tell you that okay, forget about SQL. So you have this 6 to 7 records in front of you, employee table, and if I will ask you that, tell me the highest salary, and you can tell me easily that okay, 600 and this 600 is the highest, right? What if you
Yes.
have 1,000 records? So manually that will become very tedious, right? I will not tell that that is impossible, but that will become very complicated. What if you have 10,000 records? Again, that will be too complicated, right? Suppose I have to find the highest salary from this table. Okay, how we will check that? Manually, if we are doing, so let's do some manual analysis to understand that how we will do this. This is employee A. I will consider this as employee B. Okay. So if I have to find that this salary is highest or not, okay, I have to find that this salary is highest or not. So what I will do, I will copy this salary. I will go to this table B. Same table, employee A and employee B are both same table. So if I have to check whether this salary 100 is highest or not, what I will do, I will go into this table. And I will compare this 100 with this 100. Is this 100 greater than this 100? No, right? Then I will check this 100 with this 600. Is this 100 greater than 600?
No, 600 is greater.
600 is greater. So I will stop here. That okay, we have someone who is highest than this.
Yes.
So it means one thing is damn sure, he is not the highest salary holder. Correct?
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Then I will move to the next record, this one. I will check whether he is earning the highest salary or not. So again, I will copy this 600. I will go here, I will paste it here. I will start comparing with each and every record of this table. Is this 600 greater than 100?
Yes.
Yes. So now can you tell that 600 is the highest salary?
Yes.
Yes.
No, no, we have to compare other records also.
Very good. You have to compare all other records as well. If this 600 is greater than all the other records, then you can tell that yes, 600 is the highest salary. Correct, no?
Yes.
So you have checked with 100. So this 600 is greater than 100. Okay. So you will tell that, okay, this condition is passed. Okay. Now here 600 is greater than 600. So this is not greater than, but almost this is equal to. So it means he is the competitor. So we'll consider this as a pass only. Okay. Now this 600 is greater than 500. Yes, this is greater. It means this is also pass. Is this 600 greater than 300? Yes, 600 is greater than 300. So this is also pass. The next record we will check. 600 greater than 200. Yes, this is greater than 200. So this is also pass. Now is this 600 greater than 600? So this is not greater but equal to, which means this is also pass. So now this 600 is satisfying all this records condition. So can we tell that this 600 is the highest salary?
Yes.
Yes, we can tell that this 600 is the
Highest.
highest salary. Okay. So you will be checking for all the other records or you will stop here?
We'll check other records as well.
So you will check for other records as well. But okay, no, leave that concept. I know you guys will get confused. Oh, actually, what happened in maximum, the scenario is different. Maximum and minimum, the scenario is different. Once it will find that this is the highest, it will not go and check for others
Okay.
because this is proof that this is the highest one, right? So 600 is the highest salary. So this is the approach I will follow if I have to check that a particular salary is the highest or not. Is this a good approach? You all agree with this approach?
Yeah.
Correct. So we will do like this. Actually, our brain is doing like this only, but we are processing very fast. So just looking at this, you told me that okay, 600 is the highest, but actually your brain is doing comparison only. What I have told you right now. If you think your brain is doing this task only, it is comparing. Okay. So you understood this manual analysis, guys? How to
Yes.
find the highest salary? Okay. Now, how to write query for this? That's the question. This is fine. We have checked manually. This is fine. But how to write query for this? Before writing query, tell me if you want me to repeat this analysis once again.
No.
Clear to
Not
everyone?
clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Now, how to write query for this? Let me first of all write query here only.
We can also
Let's
use
write query like
join
this. Sorry, Anish?
join भी use कर सकते हैं हम लोग इसको.
Yeah. You can use joins as well. That's what I'm showing you. See, many ways are there to write query. Okay, you can use whatever you want. Here I want to show you that correlated query. Okay. So first of all, I'm writing that I want ID, name, and salary from this employee A. So I will write from employee A. Right, employee. Any confusion so far? I am telling that I want ID, name, and salary from employee A. Okay. So far, any question till here? And because I know this is going to become complicated now, that's why I'm going in pieces. So far as it's clear, right?
Clear.
Okay. Where here's 0 equals select count of the star. from typing email. Dot salary created from a dot salary. This is the query. Let me show you first of all the result of this, and then I'll tell you what is happening in this query. First of all, tell me you got the correct output or not. We'll see that what is this query. Is the output correct?
Yes.
You all agree?
Yeah,
Okay.
output is correct.
Now the question is what I have done in this query. I will give you 15-20 seconds. Think over this first of all. What I have done here. See, if you will see, till here it is simple only, right? I'm taking these 3 columns from this employee A and again where condition. Now after this you might be confused that why I've given 0, then why I've used count of a star from employee B, and then what I'm doing here. Concentrate on this part, what I've done here. And then and what I have told you here, manual analysis. So same thing, just I have written here in this query. Think and tell me what I have done.
In inner query, it's taking where the salary is higher, but I didn't understand why the 0 is equal.
Why I put why I have kept 0 there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now let's try to understand. Okay. And I have shown you here that output is correct. It means the query is correct. Now let's try to understand that what is happening in this query internally. Okay. Let me delete this. This one. As well. So your query will start from here. From employee A. So this is your employee A table, right? In this table, you want just 3 columns, okay? But you want those records. You want those records out of the 6 records, which will fulfill this condition. Correct, no? Which will fulfill this condition. You will fetch only those particular records. Now the question is, what is this condition all about? Okay. So your SQL engine will start from the first record, right? You all agree? It will start from the first record of employee A. And your SQL engine will see that this first record fulfills this condition or not. And you all know that this is the purpose of where clause. If it fulfills, you will get the data. If it doesn't fulfill, you will not get the data, right? So SQL engine will first of all take this first record. It will check this condition, that if this condition is fulfilled or not. If the condition is fulfilled, you will get this record. If it is not fulfilled, it will go to the second record. For the second record, again, it will check this condition. If it is fulfilled, you will get the record. If it is not fulfilled, you will not get the record. This is a pattern you all know, right? And now the question is what this condition is all about, right? That's the question. Okay. So let's start analysis from the first record. This is the first record. SQL engine is standing here. Now SQL engine is trying to understand what is this condition. Here in this condition, you have mentioned where 0 equals You have mentioned where 0 equals. And then you have written some query. You have written some query here. And this. Then you have written this query. I think this color is not good. Some other color. Then you have written some query. So you are telling to SQL engine that execute this, and if the output of this is equal to 0, it means the condition is fulfilled, and then you will get this particular record. Correct, guys? No, I think it's not clear. See, if I am telling that select the star from employee where salary is equal to 100, and if I'm executing this, I got this output, right? Why I got only employee name A here?
Employee only having 100 salary.
Correct, because employee A was the only record which has fulfilled this condition, right?
Yes.
Similarly, here your SQL engine will scan each and every record of this employee table, but it will display only that record which will fulfill this condition. First of all, is this clear or not?
Yes.
You all know this, right? This is the
Yes.
basic format of SQL. Now here you are telling that if this inner query, if this output of this inner query is 0, if the output of this inner query is 0, then this condition will be fulfilled, yes or no?
Yes.
Understood, no? If the output of this inner query is 0, so it means that 0 is equal to 0 and the condition is fulfilled, you will get that particular record.
Yes.
If the output of this inner query is not 0, it means the condition is not fulfilled and you will not get the record. Is this clear?
Yes. Can we go like manually according to this query?
I'm going that only. I'm going that only.
Okay. Maybe then we'll understand clearly more.
Yeah, you will understand. That is my responsibility. Don't worry, okay?
Yeah.
If you're not
Okay.
understanding, I will teach again. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. This one we understand. Yeah.
This one we understood, no? The very basic format. That okay,
Yes.
if
Yes.
I don't think that what does this inner query? Suppose this is something black box. Don't worry about this. Just I'm telling the format. If the inner query output is 0,
Yes.
don't think that what this inner query is doing, what this is all about. Don't think about that. I will tell you that.
Okay. Okay.
If the output of this inner query is 0, it means the condition is
Condition
fulfilled and you will
satisfied.
get that particular record. If the output of this inner query is not 0, the condition is not fulfilled and you will not get that particular record. So far, is it clear or not?
Yes, it's clear now.
Clear? Okay. Now the question is, what this inner query is doing. What is the purpose of this inner query? Okay, that's the question. Okay, now that's what I will tell you, and that is the main crux of this story. Okay. Now let's start analyzing the inner query. In the inner query, you are telling that select count of a star. Select count of a star from employee B. So far, any question? Oh, just simple.
So,
I'm asking to calculate count of a star from employee B. Suppose if I will execute this select count of a star from employee B, what will be the output?
all
6.
yeah, 6
Correct,
records.
no?
Yeah, numbers.
6 will be the output.
Yeah.
So far, this is clear. Okay.
Yes.
But after this, we have a condition. This is a condition. This is the condition, right? So this inner query is telling that tell me the count of records from employee B table, but only those records count I want, which fulfills this condition, Now, what is this condition? Let's try to understand.
It will compare the salary from employee B to employee
Correct. Yeah. So now your SQL engine is standing at the first record. I have taught you at very beginning when I was teaching you join that SQL scans all the records, right? So it will start with the first record. Okay.
Yeah.
It will take this salary and it will keep it here. And this 100 is your A dot salary. Why? Because this is coming from this employee A table and this is your A dot salary, right? Now your query, in your query, what you are telling that B dot salary should be greater than A dot salary. Now what is this B dot salary, guys? What is this B dot salary?
A.
This is employee B table. So this salary is your B dot salary.
Yes.
And write like this. Okay. So here you are telling that where B dot salary is greater than A dot salary. So now this A dot salary, your SQL engine is standing at this record. It will copy this 100, it will keep it here. Now it will compare with B dot salary. Is this 100 greater than 100?
No.
No.
Because you are telling compare B dot salary and check if it is greater than A dot salary or not. If it is 100 greater than 100, no. So 0. Is this 600 greater than 100?
Yes.
Yes. So you will get count 1 here. Is this 500 greater than 100?
Yes.
Yes. 1. Is 300 greater than 100?
Yes.
Yes. 1. Is this 200 greater than 100?
Yes.
1. Is 600 greater than 100?
Yes.
Yes. 1. Okay. So you got this 4 records. Now your SQL engine will execute this inner query. Select count of a star from employee B where this condition is fulfilled. Now tell me if it will execute this query, what will be the output?
Then record A will come.
Uh,
Oh.
I'm telling if it will execute the select count of a star
Oh, this one.
from
Okay.
employee B,
5.
which is fulfilling this condition.
5.
So
Then
how
it
many
will
of
be
them have
5.
fulfilled this condition? 1,
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will give you
5.
output as 5, right? Okay.
Yes.
So now this query will be converted like this. Okay. Now, is 0 equal to 5?
No.
No. Condition is fulfilled or not?
Not fulfilled.
No, condition is not fulfilled. You will get this record or not? No, because the condition is not fulfilled. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now you might be thinking that you understood this query, what this query is doing. But now the question is why you have given this condition and why you are checking count of the star. Now you guys think and tell me, giving you some time. Think and tell me why I have given this condition. This is exactly as per the manual analysis what I have told you in the beginning. Why I'm comparing this salary should be greater than this salary. Why? Or do one thing. Take this example of 600 now. This is over, right? Now take the example of next record. SQL engine will go to the next record, right? So this is the record. It will copy this 600 from here, paste here. Again, same thing it will do. Count of a star from employee B where B dot salary greater than A dot salary. Now check this B dot salary. Is 100 greater than 600?
No.
No. So it will be 0. Is 600 greater than 600? No, it will
No.
be 0. Is it 500 greater than 600? No, this will
No.
be 0. 300 greater than 600? No, again this will be 0. 200 greater than 600? No, this will be 0. 600 greater than 600? No, this will be 0. Okay. So now what will be the output of this inner query?
0.
0.
0. So now the condition is fulfilled or not?
Yes.
0 equals 0. Now this query will be changed in this format. Now the condition is fulfilled. It means this record will be fetched. Correct?
Yes.
Now, did you guys understand this, that why I have given this B dot salary greater than A dot salary? Because I'm comparing each and every record of this table with this data. Is this greater than this or not? 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 Right? And why I have given 0? I have given 0 here because I want no one should be greater than this record. Then only I can tell that he is the topper. Correct?
Yeah.
I have given 0 here because I want no one to be greater than the 600. That's why I given 0 here. Not clear.
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 Clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay. Now if it is clear, if I want to find second highest, second highest. So if you want to find second highest salary, what modification you will do in this query?
I think 1 is equal instead of
Very
0.
good. Very good. Very good. Instead of 0, just write 1. Why? Because you are telling that second highest. It means you know someone is there who is earning salary highest than this, right? That's why you're given here 1, because you are telling that only one person should be earning salary higher than this.
Yes.
So when I will execute this, you get the second highest. Output it. No data comma. Right. Ah, okay. Yeah. To tell you this, I have to change here this string salary and all those things. Tell you this. What is being no data comma. Leave this part as of now. Is this clear or not? First of all,
Yeah. Clear.
Yes.
want to repeat this?
No.
Clear? Okay. Now actually this query which I have shown you, this is working for this particular data. Okay. But there are many other scenarios where this query will fail. I will tell you that when which scenarios it will fail. Okay. Now in this data, same data. Okay. If I will ask you that, tell me who is the second highest salary holder, what will be your answer?
C.
C, right? He is the second highest salary holder. Correct. Now, but when I executed this query, I got no data found. Why? That's a question. Because there is a small mistake in this query. I will tell you what is that mistake. Try to understand it. Make a copy of this, okay? This is your salary.
Is it because we have 2 highest salaries?
Highest salaries. Correct. Good catch. Good catch. Very good. See, okay, anyway, let's analyze this again. So Our manual analysis is telling that this should be the second highest salary, right? But why the query is not giving the answer, right? That's the question. So let's do the manual analysis. I have taken this 500 here. I will keep it here. Correct. I will compare with this. Is 100 greater than 500? No, 0. 600 greater than 500? Yes, it's greater than 500. 500 greater than 500? No, 0. 300 greater than 500? No, 0. 200 greater than 500? No, 0. 600 greater than 500? Yes.
Yes.
So our analysis is telling that there are two records.
Yes.
There are
Two
two
records.
records who is earning salary greater than this particular person. Okay. But we have given here one, and that's why query is not giving the correct data. Now, how to fix this problem? Actually, what is happening? We have two records, but this both records are same. 600, 600, they both are same, right?
Yes.
Both are same only, no?
Same. Yeah.
I have to tell to SQL engine that SQL, if you are here, you are telling that count is 2, but please check here, both the salaries are same, boss. They're duplicate like, right? Correct, no?
Yes.
So SQL engine will tell me that you have mentioned count of a star. So I'm counting all the rows, all the records. Correct? It's not my mistake. So I will agree that yeah, SQL is telling correct. So here I will tell to SQL now that SQL don't count all the records. If there is same salary, consider is
Distinct salary.
Take the distinct salary. Now I'm executing this. Now you got the output.
Yes.
Okay, so intentionally I have not told you in the very beginning this distinct, you will get confused. So as a best practice, you should use this distinct, and this will work for all the records. Even if you want the highest salary, keep it 0 here and execute. Get the this is the highest. If you want the third highest, make it 2. Get the third highest as well. So this is the third highest salary holder. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Are you sure it's clear?
We are getting the same output with other queries also, like CTA. Yeah. Why do we need to complicate so much?
I have told in the very beginning that you will ask this question that we have done using that, then why we want to do using CT expression. I was expecting this question. See, actually, your concern is valid that rank, dense rank, another subquery, CT expression, we have solved this very easily, right?
Yeah.
Then why then with this CT expression you want to show this, right? Okay. This is a concept. Okay, correlated query. Actually, I wanted to introduce you this concept that how it works. Okay, but still that is not over. Few more things are there, and this is helpful in many scenarios. Okay, I'm not telling that this question you solve using this correlated query. I'm not telling that. Okay, you should solve using those rank only. But this is a concept. You should know this, and in many cases this will help. And I will show you those scenarios as well, right? So far, do you understood this how it works? So
yes,
your
yes.
correlated query, how it is working, it will take the first record and it will check with all the other records. Okay, and then again it will take the second record, it will check with all the other records, right? That's why this is known as correlated query. Now, can I tell that this is independent query? Can I tell that this is independent query? This is same as independent query.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah, come on, guys. Yes or no?
No, I think it's dependent on this inner query, right?
You see here this inner query is dependent on the outer query. It has to compare this with the outer record,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So that is why this is correlated, because it is having correlation with the outer query. And that's why the name is correlated query. But if you will check all these queries, this query, where is that? Check this query. This is independent query. Why? Because this inner query will execute independently. It's not bother what is happening in the outer world. Correct? So that's why this query is known as independent. But in this query is, if you will execute this query, now this will throw error message. See, error message is coming. Why? It's saying that I don't know what is a dot salary. Why? Because a dot salary is present from the outer query. It is coming from the outer query, right? But here, if you will execute this query, inner query, this will be executed independently because this is not having any relation with the outer query. Just this will execute, and the output of this will be used by the outer query. But here, the inner query, it works for each and every record of the outer query. That is why the name is correlated query. There's correlation. There's some relation between them. That's why this is known as correlated query. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
What else other functions we can use in this correlated one?
What other function? Sorry, I don't.
Means like we have other like group by. Is there anything we can apply on this?
Everything you can apply.
Everything.
Everything you can apply. There's no limitation. But the story is not over now. There is few more things which I want to tell you. Now let me take one more example. Okay, before proceeding further, I know that this question you can solve using rank, dense rank, row number, and all this things. And I agree. But concept why you understood, no, how this correlated query is working.
Yes.
That is clear, right? Okay. Now I want to show you some more complicated scenarios of this correlated query. So this is your student here. This is your student table, and suppose that the question is same that I want to find the topper. Okay. I want to find the topper. Oh, this question is not correct actually. Okay, let's find the topper. I will write a dot name, my dot subject, a dot marks from a where same thing I'm using. Okay, from which we have discussed on same concept. Select count of B where B dot marks. So you can see these are the B, D, B, they are the topper, right? It's for 30 marks, correct? Is that fine, guys?
Yes.
Now from this query, I have shown you that the topper and all those things and the same thing we have discussed now. And hope the query is clear to you guys. But the question is different now. Question is different. Now they're asking that tell me the topper in each and every subject. Okay. Now the question is they're asking to find the topper in each and every subject. Okay, like You have three subjects here, physics and chemistry and then mathematics, right? They're asking to tell me the topper in physics and then topper in chemistry and then topper in mathematics. It happens, no, in our school days or during your graduation, BTech or whatever we have done. So in college, they used to publish like this, that, okay, topper in this particular subject, he's a topper like that, right? So now the question is, they want topper in each and every subject-wise topper they want. So here in physics, who is the topper? So here's the topper in physics. Chemistry, who is the topper? So he's the topper. And in mathematics, he's the topper. This is the question. How you will solve this?
Maybe we can use partition by or group by.
Oh, partition by, very good. If you're using rank, dense rank, you can use partition by. That's correct answer. But here in this correlated query, if I have to use that, how we can use that? What condition I have to add here?
Group by?
No.
No. Okay.
See, you just add one condition. Sorry. You just add one condition that you have to tell the SQL engine. Let me go first of all this.
A dot subject is equal to B dot subject.
Ah, very good, very good. You have saved my time. Good. And A dot subject is equal to B dot subject. So you're telling the SQL engine that compare subject-wise. Compare subject-wise. Just mention here A dot subject is equal to B dot subject. That's all. Now you will see subject-wise. See? Good. Physics, C is the answer. C physics 20, right? Mathematics, B has scored mathematics 30. B has scored 30. And chemistry, B and D is the answer. Hope this is clear, guys.
Yes.
So this was all about your correlated queries. But believe me, what you have understood so far is just 20%. I will request you all that please analyze this correlated query again on your own, and this is very useful. Okay, many questions you can solve with the help of this. But solve this question, the department subject wise, using rank, dense rank. Okay, solve using that as well. So this was all about correlated queries, guys, and I have tried to explain you that why the name is correlated and how this is different from independent query. Okay, but go through that. Still, if you need clarification, connect with me. So this was all about your correlated query. This is very important. What else? What shall I teach you now? Row number is very boring. We'll teach it tomorrow. Sum over and cumulative sum. Okay.
That row underscore number and row num both are different.
Both are different. This is different than this. But this is not used anywhere. Row I just added because some of the students they will ask that, sir, you have not covered row number. So that's why. But you will never use this. So of no use. This is used when you're working on a project and there's some DBA task and all those things, and then it is used. Okay. So I think we should stop here. Okay. Because I need, or if you want, shall I continue with the sum over and cumulative sum? I want to continue tomorrow. What is the wish?
Okay. Tomorrow, okay.
Tomorrow, fine.
Yeah.
So, and this is simple only, but I don't want to rush through this. Okay. This is important as well. Tomorrow I will try to finish this all knowledge. This is simple things. And limit top normalization provided is same as row num. We'll see this tomorrow. Okay. I will share assignment today. work on that, and we'll connect tomorrow. Hopefully, we will finish this by tomorrow, and then I will schedule next week 1 or 2 class for practice. I will show you some complicated questions how you can do that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Let's connect tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Good
you
day.
too, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you all.